Hi tank. Okay, here's my problem. This fill valve doesn't always switch right on. Let's see if it happens this time. So we flush, and you hear there's no water running. So if I jostle it, now you can hear the water running. So something's sticking in here. We're going to take it apart, see if we can fix it. If not, I have a new fill valve and we'll put that on. Okay, we're going to start by turning off the water supply. This one's got a ball valve and a valve there. So we'll just turn off the ball valve. That way we don't have any surprises. Then we'll start taking this thing apart. So this cap just snaps off. Now this usually is just a little, like a quarter turn. There it is. A little quarter turn right there. And that comes apart. Okay. Now we can see nothing looks unusual there. If you have a slow filling, I have another video, you can get a bunch of debris caught up in here and cause your valve to fill slow. Why it's not kicking on, it's almost got to be this mechanism here. I'm going to unsnap this so I can get a good look at it. Okay. So the issue comes down to that pin in the middle should be forcing this whole diaphragm to move when it moves. If we move the pin up and down, that diaphragm should be going up and down, but it's not. It's slipping. The pin is slipping inside of this rubber, so basically the little grooves on the pin, should be a little groove on the pin. You can barely see them, little grooves on the pin. That should be lining up with some places on this rubber that fall into the grooves, and it should be flexing this. It shouldn't, the pin should not be slipping inside that hole. So basically this little piece here is worn out. You probably can buy this little piece, but since I have a new flush valve that I bought at a different time and didn't need, I'm going to go ahead and put that in.